Wagwan man, you're tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at a show that's like doing numbers around the world right now, and it's called the MILF Manor. I don't know who came up with this disgusting idea, because the shit that I've seen happening in these previews is wild. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that sub button, man, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about this show so far. We're just going to get right into it, man. I'll see you guys.
The synopsis is, hot single moms search for love, but a shocking twist changes everything.
I live in Studio City, California, and I have 3 amazing boys. I don't think any of my sons realize that I have an extremely high libido. Hold on.
Why the fuck would they realize that?
Is that too much saying I have an extremely high libido? Should I just have said high libido?
My name is So Young. I am 50 years old. When I meet a good-looking, my
So
type
young.
of man, I introduce myself,
young,
say,
eh?
hey, I'm so young, and I'm so
Kelly, I'm 50 years old, and my alter ego is Disco Mommy.
hell no.
Hey, girl! Hey,
hell no.
How are you hot ladies doing? Disco Mommy.
Yo, they're definitely rich though, because to have the time to like come on these shows, I feel like at a certain, you know, the younger people that are on like Too Hot to Handle and stuff like that, they're younger, they're like not super situated in their life where they can leave their job for like 3 months, because those shows are like long, right? Like a month, 2 months, whatever. So these women definitely have cake. So they didn't just decide they wanted younger guys today, you know what I'm saying? They've been doing this shit.
Mommy loves house music, and Disco Mommy, she's really spontaneous.
Yo, damn, she look young as fuck. But that makeup is crazy. If you see the neck, shoulders, the skin there compared to her face, it's that's crazy.
She's just fun. I have 6 amazing kids, 3 girls and 3 boys.
What? I would never look at her and be able to guess that she had 6 goddamn kids. Holy fuck.
That's the #1 question people ask me, like, if from the same guy? I'm like, no. Why would I have 6 kids from the same guy?
Or why wouldn't you have 6 kids from the same guy? What the fuck is going on here, man? Isn't that what's supposed to happen? Wait, what?
Hello.
Older ladies, we're not getting younger, even though we can think that we can do things to make ourselves look younger. We're really not.
I mean, some of these, that lady right there before, she looked younger, so you can use makeup. That's not true. Whoever just said that.
My read on Charlene is she probably was very hot.
She has some crazy ass eyes. At least they're not like, I was gonna say beat milfs, but you know, it's not a nice thing to say. But they're good looking. I can't lie.
When she was younger, more in shape.
That going for
Charlene.
herself.
I have the best trainer in Orange County, so if you guys want to come.
Jimmy. That shit's funny. That's actually gonna happen though. So
That's my mom right there.
bro, why would I still stay? Mom and son, that's now weird as fuck. Somebody's got to go, and I think we should both go. What the fuck?
Mamá, ¿qué haces aquí?
Dios mío de mi vida. Oh my God.
I just saw straight to possess eyes and just stay there for a couple of seconds and say, what is this?
This is so strange. Is it not? Is this not strange? Like, am I overthinking this? Is this not weird? Like, your mom is looking for a younger guy your age, and you are looking for an older lady your mom. What's going on?
Wait, that's my mom right there? This can't be going on.
To be honest, I'm thinking for
To be yeah, and I'm just thinking like that the reactions were like not holy fuck, like embarrassing, shocking, like I think I would be if I saw my mom somewhere like that, you know what I'm saying? Like, you guys can let me know though. I just think that there's a lot of scripting in this shit, but it's still weird as fuck that they probably knew and still would.
first pick in the draft, like I'm looking at everything else before my mom.
Thank God for that.
Wait, what? I'm looking at everything else before my mom. Hold on. I don't think I heard that properly. Let's just
Looking at everything else before.
hold on. No. Okay. This is where it gets fucking weird.
Honest, I'm thinking first pick in the draft, like I'm looking at everything else before my mom.
Thank God for that.
What? No, we gotta go. I'm gonna go at this again because I don't think I heard it properly. So hold on.
Be honest, I'm thinking
I'm gonna be honest, okay?
First pick in the draft. Like, I'm looking at everything else before my mom.
Before my mom. I just like I know what it sounds like it means. It sounds like he's saying his mom is an option. She's just not the first.
Thank God for that.
Women are very hot, and I know I got the swag, and I got the game for them.
Wow.
Yeah, do people say swag anymore? Like I have swag. People say that. That's a real like people for real say that.
Wow, this is like news to me.
Yes, Mom. Yes. Joey.
Yeah, these kids seem like they just left high school too. That's another thing. Some of them, not that black guy. That black guy seems like he's like a little older, but this guy definitely is maybe a senior in high school. Something's not right.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm April.
April. Nice to meet you. I'm
Hey, nigga. You're standing there chopping other moms while your mom is getting nah. What?
doing great. How about you?
I'm fine.
But whenever I
Oh, insane eye contact. Holy shit. He just stared her
Honestly, this guy's moving like he's black.
down.
bring a woman home, it's all up to my mom whether I'm dating her or not.
Yes.
I mean, she can tell you right there and then now, I guess.
Been winning. Then I started looking at these women, and I was like, damn, they are kind of...
What the fuck is he? I mean, sorry. Whoa. Okay. That mom is definitely... Like, you can tell they're related, but... What? Like, MILF would want... I don't know. I guess I don't understand.
Beautiful. And then my mom's right there. I was like... And then my mom's right there. I was like...
I'm here to find a special connection, and I hope my mom also finds a special
How is his name Jimmy and her name is Scylla?
connection.
Jimmy thinks so, but who knows, right? We might find the perfect love in here. Jimmy
Yeah, honestly, this is just so uncomfortable to watch, to be honest.
don't know about me. We might find the perfect love in here. Jimmy don't know about me.
Like, I'm just thinking about it. The fuck? Jimmy don't know about me. Like, how are you supposed to, like, the camera's on, like, how are you supposed to act? This is so weird.
So you're gonna be 20.
The man literally wanted to be like, yeah, what the fuck is going on right now? Like, yo.
For your son's
No, he's 20.
No, I'm a...
Are you guys hanging out with your moms? What?
You're
21.
Oh, you're the baby.
You gonna be 22, right?
I'm gonna be 22.
Yo, why is he so aggressive, goddamn? Like...
and I are both here because we wanted to take this adventure.
Honestly, Gabriel looks like he was going somewhere, got shocked, zapped, and he just ended up here because I don't know if that's what he's looking for, Mom.
It literally fell in our lap from the heavens. And
I can't. I'm sorry.
Can you stop and just let me talk?
Can you do it again? Can you not say, why are you saying heavens?
Because that's what I'm saying. I'm my own person. But can you stop interrupting me? So.
Dude, what is my man wearing? He's nailing the 2019 e-boy aesthetic.
I have twins.
Do you?
3 boys. Gabriel's a twin.
Oh, wow.
But they don't look alike. Fraternal.
A fraternal.
So you brought the ugly one. Thanks.
He didn't say that. No. Let me just bring that back there. I just gotta pace myself for this because that was a little crazy. What I'm interested in hearing the response.
Twins.
Do you?
3 boys. Gabriel's a twin.
Oh, wow.
But they don't look alike. Fraternal.
A fraternal.
So you brought the ugly one. Thanks.
Like, why did they all laugh too? Yo, I don't understand the script of this show. I don't understand the point. But it's crazy.
I want you.
Everyone but me.
Sorry.
Wait. Did he just say everyone but me to his own No, I gotta make sure. I gotta confirm this.
You.
Everyone but me.
Wait, who? Okay, guys. Jesus. Because I just want to make sure that he's not... Okay.
Sorry.
I think that is his mom.
blindfold and
Yo, that's his mom. Oh, mom. Like, yo, are we? I'm in shock. I think. No. Something's not right. They must be paid actors.
and you have to go up and touch all of the young men and figure out by touching their chests and abs and shoulders which one is their son. And abs and shoulders, which one is their son.
What? Did you get? We gotta pull that back. We gotta pull that back.
Blindfold, and you have to go up and touch all of the young men and figure out by touching their chests and abs and shoulders which one is their son.
I don't know who told them to make this into a show, but this is fucking weird. It's crazy that this shit is on TV and on TLC to make it even worse.
I mean, I honestly learned a lot from like all of that talking. I mean,
You did?
everything that's come out of his mouth is.
Yeah. Okay. So this is this guy's mom. Why is he here? While she
has been just.
I'm just raw.
facts.
I'm just raw.
And I'm just like.
You're welcome. This is your dad.
Oh God! Whoa! Honest, what would I do? That could never be me. I'm just gonna leave it at that. That bitch.
Everything that's come out of his mouth has been just.
I'm just raw.
facts.
I'm just raw.
And I'm just like.
You're welcome. This is your dad.
Nah. Look at this guy's face. Oh God. Yo, I love how the mic heard the man gulp like that.
Mom, you said, "Are you?"
Wow.
You said, "Come up here, Mom." Mom.
Can you take it from a 10 to a 2? Relax.
I'm going to the bathroom.
Yo, I don't know.
You go to the bathroom. I'm gonna take her reins up. If Joey continues to cock block me this entire time, he's going to ruin the experience for me.
Yo, it's crazy. She just said if her son keeps cock blocking her. Like, I don't think that's something that I would ever think I would hear from a mother's. That's crazy. She just basically said her son's a bitch.
I'll take her word.
Oh my God! You gotta be joking.
Just chilling.
Bye, Joey. Don't be a hater, Joey.
Ma, you gotta chill out.
Your mom is here for a reason, man. Like, I don't even know what jokes I could even really throw in here because this is just weird, right? Like,
I'm serious.
Cock blocking my mom because first night, no. You've known him for 6 hours. You can't just immediately go into.
bro, it's crazy because this dynamic seems like he's the parent and she's the kid.
You know, I wanna, and then yeah.
Like, he's definitely the kid in this. Like what you don't want to. I can't even say sex. That shit's crazy.
Person. Paula has these feet that I just want to like oil up and lather and just massage and get real warm and then paint her toenails maybe a color and like.
I want to say that's weird. I've never heard a nigga say that he wants to lather up her feet, like a foot rub, whatever. Like, I've heard shit like that. But to say he wants to paint her, nigga, weird.
Suck the acrylic off them.
What? What? Maybe I didn't hear that properly.
Toenails, maybe a color, and like suck the acrylic off them toes.
Oh, I did hear it right. It's just crazy.
Shove in my mouth.
Why was he about to do that? I don't want to put my hand near my mouth like that, but why was he about to do this motion to his face? Okay. It's crazy how he said it like he doesn't give a fuck. Who knows? Like, this is his thing, right? Like, it's. I never knew. I thought this was shunned.
Bit about her.
Fine.
She has the idea. Let's do yoga and wants to do the airplane, and I'm so for it.
I get the fantasy suite tonight.
You don't. You actually.
Yeah, I think I just recently started watching. Like, I watch 90 Day Fiance here and there. I watch these other reality TV shows. This shit is by far. I even started watching Love After Lockup, and Love After Lockup makes 90 Day Fiance look like child's play. But this shit, that's pretty much like, you know, the start. This is pretty much the overview of the first episode. But this shit is crazy, man. I kind of want to watch to see what happens, but I kind of don't because it's gross. Like, you know what I'm saying? But fuck, this shit is crazy. Let me know what you guys think, man. Don't forget to hit that sub button, drop a like, and I'll see you guys later.